Hey everyone, welcome back to the Den Fireworks. Today's video, we are doing a white noise fountain by Pyro Planet. This is a good sized box fountain that says it is fanned out for effect. So hopefully we get some really nice angled tubes in here and we get a nice big spread on this fountain. Performance is this oversized fountain matches its name exactly, white noise. A massive wall of 6 different kinds of crackling effect lasting a full minute. Your ears will be ringing after this one. So we say it's got 60 seconds, that's a 9 out of 10 fountain. Effect height is low, well it's a fountain. And the firing pattern is all fanned out. So this should be some blistering crackle in this one. You guys know I'm a crackle fan, and this is one I'm actually curious about if it's something I could work in on the show to give a ground effect, widespread, and a lot of noise while running some other effects. So let's take this one out back, throw it up on the ladder, and let's see how it looks. Thanks everyone. White noise.